Guys, another short cover song na naman ni Morissette Aman and kinover niya dito yung Golden and sobrang excited ako guys na mapakinggan to at mapanood din si Mori. Alam niyo naman ako guys, I'm a huge fan of Ate Mori kaya i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3. Go, tara, play na natin. Actually, napanood ko na isang cover song niya na Golden. Sobrang galing niya dun, no? And ayan, no? Sabi niya dito sa caption, at umisa pa talaga. Kaya tara, i-play na natin. So, ito na.
More hiding, shining like I'm born to be.
Wow.
Cause we are hunters, voices strong and high, no other.
Wow.
We're going up, 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 it's our
Ang galing.
moment. You know together we're glowing.
Kagaling niya.
Gotta be golden. Oh, up, 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 with our voices. Innocent, all in. Gotta be golden. Oh, tired hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, birds are no fears, no license to we're born to be. You know we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be golden. We're gonna be you know that it's our time. No fears, no license to we're born to be.
Galing niya. Baka Morissette yan.
Ay. Ay, di talaga. Di din. Bahala na, basta yun. The end.
Wow. Grabe no, sobrang galing talaga ni Morissette sa Amon, no? Kahit ano yata ipakanta kay Ate Mori, talagang nabibigyan niya to ng justice, no? Ang galing, napakaganda ng voice tone, yung vocals niya talagang, wow, jaw dropping ka na lang talaga kapag napanood mo si Ate Mori. Partida, nakaupo pa yan. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo to malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kami request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye po!